Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Why won't you marry? I said I don't want to marry. Why? Yes, no. Okay, come down. What's down now? I know that's what you are. Bro, stay by me. Telling me not to tell me. How are you telling me? No, for what? How are you telling me? How are you telling me? What's happening? What's happening? I never said
Judging by that little piece of clip I see a while ago, me have to really and truly take it in consideration, say that abuse might be the reason why this lady don't want to marry this man. Like, who da want to be in an abusive relationship? Who wants to be in a relationship that you're going to be beaten, batting and buffing every day of life for the rest of your life? No, you see me? And not only man alone beat man too, you know. You have some woman out there will beat them man day in, day out, you know. You see me? Send him go shop if you know, come back and get a lick out of the pot, you never believe. These things happen. You see me? Right? So here's the question now I'm going to ask you, my viewers. Would you stay in an abusive relationship? You see me? Could abuse be the reason why she don't want to marry him? Those are some very, very interesting questions. You see me I say? And you know, next thing again too, you have people who love the abuse too, you know. You have people who love the abuse. Me personally watch interview where woman say if a man don't beat her, she don't feel good. You see? And you have some man who love it when the woman command them. So you have people, I don't know, them call it that thing must be submissive or something like that. Yeah? Love to be controlled by others. You see? You see me? You know, say, scientists and doctors consider that as a form of sickness though. You know, people consider it as a form of psychological sickness. You see me? Some, like them say something wrong with their mind. You see? But anyways, I don't know the thing go already. I only bring two new hot on social media. So if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself. You see?